Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing a study at home. Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer. I am here with explain chapter 3rd and 4th divisional work. Okay student? So student, take out your computer book, open chapter third and exercises first. Trick the correct answer. First exercise, student, trick the correct answer. Which of the following help to print on paper? So students, again you, which of the following help to print on paper? Option A, option B, option C. Option A printer, option B mouse, and option C recorder. Okay students, so choose the correct option. Option A. Option A. Is that clear? Now next question. Which part of the computer control the other parts? So students, which part of the computer control the other parts? Option A printer, option B keyboard, and option C CPU. So student, choose the correct answer on option C. Right. Okay. Now next, how many scroll wheels does a mouse have? How many scroll wheels does a mouse have? Option A 1, option B 2, and option C 3. So students, choose the correct option. Option A. Option A 1. Okay. So student, now next come to the point, filling the blanks. Now next come to the point B, filling the blanks. Speaker, filling the blanks. Student, option 3, option hint box, option 4. Okay, speaker, screen, CPU, and mouse. Okay, so student, first question, the dash is present inside the CPU cabinet. So student, first, the dash is present inside the CPU cabinet. Answer CPU. So student, that clear? Now next, a dash is used to point and select things on the monitor. Once again, repeated question. A dash is used to point and select things on the monitor. So student, right answer, filling the blanks, mouse. Spelling of mouse, MOUSE, mouse. Is that clear, students? So now next, you can see word and picture on a dash. So student, you can see word on picture on a dash. So fill it now, and student, screen. Spelling of screen, SCREEN, screen. Is that clear? Now next, fourth one, a dash plays the sound stored on a computer. A dash plays the sound stored on a computer. So students, fill it. Speaker. Spelling of speaker, SPEAKER. Is that clear, student? Once again, SPEAKER, speaker. So now next question. Student, now come to the next question. C. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. So students, 4 options. First question, CPU stand for control parts unit. Write true or false, students? False. Spelling of false, FALSC, false. Now next, a printer print on a paper. So students, true or false? True. A printer prints on a paper. True. Now next, third one, the writing on the computer is known as typing. Writing on the computer is known as typing. True. And now fourth one, a monitor has scroll wheels. So students, a monitor has scroll wheels. True or false? False. Is that clear? Now next D. Fill in the missing letter. So students, now next topic here, filling the missing letter. First I am used to type on a computer. So students, I am used to type on a computer. Dash K Y dash O dash R D K E Y B O A R D. Is that clear, students? Now next, I help you to draw on point. I help you to draw on point. M dash U dash E. So student, dash M O U S C, mouse. Is that clear? Now next, I am called the brain of the computer. Dash P dash U, CPU. Is that clear, student? Now next, I look like a television. I look like a television. M dash N I dash O dash MONITOR. Is that clear, student? So student, now come to the next chapter 4, and first exercise is trick the correct answer. Okay, is that clear? Trick the correct answer. First question, a mouse should be kept on a mouse should be kept on a tablet, cap and book. So option A, B and C. So student, correct option A. Is that clear? Now next, which of the following appears on the monitor when the mouse is moved? Which of the following appears on the monitor when the mouse is moved? Option A, arrow. Option B, plus, and option C, circle. So student, choose the correct option A. Choose the correct option A. Option A, arrow. Is that clear? Now next, which of the following is a scroll wheels? Which of the following is a scroll wheels? Option A, mouse. Option B, wheels. Option C, arrow. So student, clear of correct option A. Okay, so okay, now come to the next point. Exercise B. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks. So students, hint box is 4 words. Okay, is that clear? First numbers. So student, first number, a mouse has dash button. A mouse has dash button 2. Spelling of 2, TWO 2. Is that clear, students? So now next, the learning, the sliding arrow that appears on the monitor is called a dash. So once again question, the sliding arrow that appears on the monitor is called a pointer. Spelling of pointer, POINTER, pointer. Once again spelling of pointer, POINTER. Is that clear, students? So now next question, dash action option is list of commands. Dash action option open a list of commands. So student, fill it now. Right click. Fill it. Right click. Spelling of right, RIGST, right, CLICK, click. Is that clear, student? So now next, fourth one, to left click, press the left button. Dash to left click, press the left button, dash. So students, fill it now. Once. Spelling of once, ONCE, once. Is that clear? So now come to the next question for exercise C. write T for true and M for false. Okay, is that clear? So first question, a mouse is kept on the keyboard. True or false, students? False. So now next, second, it is not possible to use the mouse with the left hand. True or false? Right answer, false. Is that clear, students? So now next, third one, when you move the mouse, the pointer also move on the screen. Once again repeat question. When you move the mouse, the pointer also move on the screen. True. And fourth one, last and fourth one, a mouse pad help to move the mouse smoothly. Once again repeated question, a mouse pad help to move the mouse smoothly. True or false? True. So student, now come to the next question. Rearrange the letter to from correct words. Once again, rearrange the letters to from correct words. So student, rearrange letter. Okay, scrolling. First number, scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Now second है double click. Now second, double click, double click, click is that clear? Now third है pointer. Now third है pointer, pointer, pointer. Now fourth and last है drag, spelling of drag, drag. Okay student, bye and bye, thank you and take care.